Hello home buyers, this is Agent Joyce again and I'm gonna show you the Thea unit with balcony. And si Thea unit po ay 50 square meter yung kanyang lot and then 60 square meter naman po yung floor area ng bahay. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. Si Thea po ay located here in Lancaster, New City. Boundary po siya ng Imus and General Trias, Cavite. Meron tayong private road kaya ito ay napakalapit lang sa airport and then Mall of Asia. So sa first floor po is the living area, dining area, kitchen, and then 1 bedroom. And then meron din tayong toilet and bath sa first floor. And then sa second floor naman is 2 bedrooms and then balcony po sa ating master's bedroom and then yung ating malaking toilet and bath. Sa interested po nito, meron tayong pre-selling and then RFO. Kapag pre-selling po is installment lang yung ating monthly down payment, mag-reserve lang po tayo 15,000 and then start na kayo ng monthly by next month. This is Agent Joyce and see you here. Bye!